I live in Zone 9, Houston, Texas. The summer is so hot, and I think if you want to harvest the beans during the long summer, long yard beans will be your choice. You can plant the long yard beans every 50 days, and you will have a supply of long yard beans all summer long. So today is July the 4th. So I want to plant some more long yard beans here. And plant the long yard beans so simple. To me, normally I like to make it simple. I just dig the dirt, the soil in the long row here, and this is the second row. I want to have 2 rows of long yard beans. I did not put any fertilizer because the long yard beans normally don't need much fertilizer. They still do very good. When they germinate, if I see the leaves a little yellow or if I see the leaves don't grow healthy, then I give fertilizer. Right now, I'm not going to give any fertilizer. This is the Yardlong beans. I save my own Yardlong beans, so it's okay for me to plant the crowd. I have lots of seeds, so to me, I don't need to buy seeds each year. Makes it much easier. So now I just cover the seeds with the soil. Finished. It's very simple and easy. This Yardlong beans are planted in middle of May, and look, they have already grown. That's tall, and I just use a bamboo stick to let them climb on bamboo stick instead of string on this one. I only have few seeds, so this is a different variety of long yard beans. It makes a red purple long yard beans. It just started blooming, has little beans on it. It will become this long Yardlong beans. So they just start beginning to make beans. So soon I will have red long yard beans to harvest from these few plants here. And they're just beginning to climb. This Yardlong beans I planted in April. I have been harvesting this from a garden. This type of beans, once I harvest, then it takes few days for them to re-energize, to regrow flowers and bloom and make beans. So now it's ready to harvest. I kind of wait a little bit too long, I feel like, because lately we have so much rain, so I did not come to the garden today. Since I planted some more beans, so I just want to harvest some. I try not to step on my garden because everywhere, the plants are everywhere. The old beans I will not harvest, I just let them grow seeds. You can see lots of beans here. This one I will leave to keep it for seeds. Okay, just keep it for seeds. Lots of beans. I love to stir fry this Yardlong beans with peppers. The spicy hot peppers I have here. Like this one. So spicy and they're yummy. Here. So that's why summer, if you feel like you have nothing to plant, and you can always plant the long-yard beans. They love the summer heat, and they just keep producing. You can plant them every 50 days. You plant a new bunch. Every 50 days, you can plant a new few seeds. So you will have a long-yard beans supply all the way to October and the end of October even. Sometimes even November. Today is July the 9th. Yardlong beans germinated already. Look, they look great. We have been having some rain, so the rain helps them to germinate. It only takes 4 days for them to germinate. Look, the purple. This is a red or purple, looks like a deep purple Yardlong beans. They are beginning to make beans now. This is the baby one. The baby here. So they're just beginning to produce the beans on this one. They grow very tall. I love the bamboo sticks over there. So easy to use bamboo sticks as a trellis. After this, baby long-yard beans going to produce vine, I will use bamboo sticks to let them climb. So Yardlong beans has very less maintenance. It's very easy to grow, and I suggest you grow Yardlong beans, and they are very delicious, and they have full of flavor. I like them. If you have tried, I'm sure you will like them too. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.